In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to track a lost or stolen phone if it is switched off because the battery died or it's in airplane mode or whatever it is. Watch my video till the end so that you get an idea about what you need to do to ensure that you get your phone back. Now, this method that I'm going to show you is something very common, but I'm going to give you an exclusive idea with which the chances for you to get back your phone is going to be higher. The first thing is, these days, the first thing is when you misplace your phone, you go ahead online to YouTube or you do a search through an application to see if you can track and find it. That's okay. You can do that. All right. But what I would recommend is before you even try using Find My Device or before you even try using any application from any companies to track your device, you should go ahead and inform the local authorities like the police station. Okay. So what happens is that when your phone is misplaced, you should assume that it was stolen. If you think in that way, you're going to take no risk. So get to a local police station, file in an FIR and keep that attested document with you so that if by chance you're not getting your phone, time passes by, few hours, 1 day, 2 days, if your phone is misused and it is traced, you are not going to get pulled up for it. That's the first thing you need to do. So if you have an Android device, it's pretty simple. You could get hold of a laptop or another smartphone and get to Google. Do a search for Find My Device and you get all the results out here. Do not select any other option. Just click on the first option out here, Find My Device. Log in with the same email address that was on the phone or device that you had misplaced. Once you do that, within few seconds, it's going to be traced to the last location. Now, you may think that this is obvious. We get onto Find My Device and stuff like that, but this is super powerful. You can proceed to the next step. So if you are located in India, you could use the CEIR portal to track your phone using its IMEI number. So CEIR is a department in India that helps to track lost or stolen phones. If you're located in Malaysia or USA or wherever, you may just have a specific department in the cybercrime wing who would be catering to this specific service, so you could also get in touch with them. So if you have a phone that was lost in India, which is an Indian phone, you could get to ceir.gov.in and then you get to this option out here, CEIR services. Click on that option, you get a drop down to block stolen or lost mobile phone. So you click on that option and you get onto this page, fill up the form, upload the copy of the FIR that you have, put in a mobile phone number, get an OTP, checkbox the declaration and submit it. You're going to get a reference number. You need to keep that reference number so that you could keep track of your complaint. So once you submit your request within a couple of hours or few days, if the phone that was lost or stolen comes on, it is automatically going to be traced and it is going to be blocked. So whoever finds a phone or whoever is trying to rob it or steal it is going to have a piece of plastic that is useless. All right. So once it is traced, if the police goes to the phone's location, if it comes online, they get it back for you. You could go ahead and unblock your phone again through this service. You just click on CEIR services, click on unblock found mobile phone. You get to this form to unblock it. You put in the information, reference number and unblock your phone. So this is a unique system that the Indian government has come up with through which you could find a phone using its IMEI number. You could keep in touch with the local authority to see if they actually have worked for you, if they actually have found your phone and stuff like that. If they haven't, just ensure that you have a copy of the FIR that you filed in earlier, okay, in the first step. And yes, we are working on our own website to try and help people to try and find their phone if it is lost or misplaced. Stay tuned for that. Give my video a thumbs up. Take care, my friend.